Are you stuck trying to choose between SMRT Algo and Luxalgo? You're not alone. Today, we are diving into a comparison of these two popular trading tools. Both SMRT Algo and Luxalgo help traders make smarter decisions. They analyze market data and provide signals to guide your trades. But how do they differ? Let's start with SMRT Algo. This tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze trends and patterns in real time. It offers various strategies, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Users appreciate its user friendly interface and clear signals. On the other hand, we have Luxalgo. This tool is known for its customizable indicators. It gives traders the option to tailor their settings based on personal trading styles. Luxalgo also focuses on providing high quality signals, especially for forex and cryptocurrency markets. Now, let's look at the key differences. SMRT Algo is more focused on automation and ease of use. It's great for those who want a straightforward approach. In contrast, Luxalgo offers more customization, which can benefit traders who like to fine tune their strategies. When it comes to features, both tools have unique strengths. SMRT Algo provides automated alerts and backtesting options. Luxalgo shines with its diverse indicators and templates. Pricing is another factor to consider. SMRT Algo usually offers a subscription model, while Luxalgo may have different tiers based on features. So, which one should you choose? If you want simplicity and automation, SMRT Algo might be your best bet. If you prefer customization and flexibility, Luxalgo could be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.